John.
Shane, S-H-A-N-E. First name spelled J-O-H-N.
I see, yeah.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. You're with On It?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a lot of your guys are on my station there, right? Yeah, a lot of your guys follow me.
Yeah, I think I even met you in White House.
Yep, that's right.
White House.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
For sure, man.
And I think 101.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I think I already met you.
Oh, yeah. How many calls do you get a day now?
What is it?
How many service calls do you get a day?
Today?
Yeah, you get a lot?
Not that much.
No?
Yeah. Like 3, 4.
Yeah. Yeah.
Today I got almost 5, 6.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'm glad to see it's working okay now. Gotta get out of these gloves. Well, I can hardly wait for summer.
Sorry?
I can hardly wait for summer.
Oh yeah. I don't like. I think it's probably summer, but I still feel cold outside, you know.
Yeah.
Only I can't wait to go beach, you know. Yeah. I want to go Philippines this year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, if it's safe.
Yeah, it's safe there. Yeah.
This is a terrible building, eh? No access.
It's like really old building.
Yeah, but no access, eh?
Yeah, man.
That's what I noticed. So.
Everything is old, like. Everything is old.
But if you're in a wheelchair or one of those things, how do you get in here? That elevator, how does that work?
Oh, there's a elevator.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I don't know how you turn it on.
I think they must have a key
Yeah.
for the elevator.
Okay, brother, that's it. Let's get out of here.
All right, thank you so much.
Okay. All right.
Okay, I'm gonna go